mean, quick little 1 or 2 trade. Let's see how I go. And that's simple. That's crazy. That's wild. I'll buy one. I'm buying. Boom. Next day you wait. Okay, I'm buying again. I'm buying. Now I'm done buying. Now my price target gonna be what? Previous high somewhere. Previous high. But it's way more to go into this, y'all. Like, see how like cautious you got to be. You see that? It's that simple, gang. You take your fucking money out and go about your fucking day. It's that simple.
Now walk through.
Anyway, so today's video is going to be on the EMA crossover. Now look, if you don't know, I trade with the 5, 10, and 20. I have a 20 SMA. SMA is a simple movement average. It calculates. You can set it to 1, 2, 3, 1,000 if you want to. But I set the green one right here. Green one right here is the 20 SMA. It measures the last 20 days of trading. Why the 20-day SMA? Because it's only 20 trading days in 1 month. So it calculates the last 20 days of trading. Boom. That's the SMA. It's smooth moving average. No, simple moving average. Sorry, guys. It moves slower than a EMA. An EMA is a exponential moving average. It hugs price closer. Oops, that's not it. Sorry. It hugs price closer, and it reacts to price faster than SMA. SMA is like a truck outside, and EMA is like a Lamborghini outside. You know what I'm saying? Like, that could be like a comparison. So this blue one right here, this blue one is a 5-day EMA. Now the 5-day EMA measures the last 5 days of trading. And this red one is the 10-day EMA. The 10-day EMA measures the last 10 days of trading. 5 days because it's only 5 trading days in a week. 10 days because it's only 10 trading days in 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's the calculations. And the only thing that we care about for these is the crossover right here. Like the crossovers. That tries to crossover. This crossover right here is the crossovers. That's mainly what we care about. I believe that price cannot go up until it crosses the 20-day moving average, which is the green line right here. You see what I'm saying? So I literally can teach a first grader how to trade like this. Oh yeah, and also this gold line right here is the 200 SMA. This 200 SMA, it measures the last year of trading. It's only 200 trading days in 1 year. So this is what that measures right here. So boom, it's really simple though, y'all. Like this is currently right now. We really just want to find these stage ones. Like, I could circle something up for you real quick. Hold on. Like, we really want to find these stage ones. Oh, okay. I can't do it. We want to find these stage ones. Like all these stage ones. And when these lines start to, you know, come together like a happy family, that's when you want to, you know, buy. You know what I'm saying? Like right here. Right there, and it's not perfect, but it works a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it works a lot. It's not perfect, and we just don't use the EMA by itself. Like, that'll be dumb, you know what I'm saying? We actually use the EMA with these two, with the RSI and the MACD, but those could be a different video. Right now, I'm just teaching y'all the indicators. You know what I'm saying? So I could go all the way back in time. Let's just go back. We'll replay mode of that. Let's just go back to like right here, some shit. I just clicked the random EMA cross. So boom. So if I was trading this right here, I seen the setup on October 21st. This is how I play it. First off, we use the 200 SMA for true value. That's the only way that we can determine where a forex pair is true value at. Like, we can't look it up online. Like, what is the true value of British pound to Japanese yen. Like, we can't do that. So the only indicator that we can possibly use is this 200 SMA. And you know what I'm saying? So that's how I look at it. Some people might look at it like, if price is underneath the 200 SMA, that price is bearish, and the price is above it, that means that it's bullish. So really, we just want to catch a stage one. A stage one is a sideways movement or a zone of accumulation from these big falls. See these big falls like this? Like this would be a stage one, right? Well, not really. This would be a pivot point. That's a pivot point, but this is really a stage one zone. I could draw it up for you right now too. I try to do it for you. Fuck it. This is stage one. So a stage one is 4 bars from the previous candle. You know what I'm saying? So like it come down, but it has to hold this anchor for 4 days. So say this fall, boom, fall just down like this. This would be a 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a stage one. This is a bottom. It's a bottom. It stopped going down. It started going sideways. You know what I'm saying? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do how you want to do it. You could count this bar as 1 or this bar as your 1. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4. But usually I just count this bar 2 as 1. This is called a pivot point. A pivot point. No, anchor point, pivot point, same thing, but just different names. This is called an anchor point. I'm sorry. A stage 3 top is a pivot point. This is an anchor point because it stopped falling. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, why ain't? We draw it out. That's really just one big stage one, if you want to be honest. Cause then look, so that's the stage one. Say you stop the stage one right there. That's that stage one right there. Like it's a big zone, yeah. That's why I just dragged it out. But then say, okay, you got in right here. All right, you got out right here. That's a break even trade, okay. And the same thing for the on the opposite side. Like this strategy is yin and yang. So when it cross on the stage one right here, like this is a nice box stage one across, I buy. It come up, make this stage 3 go sideways, and then cross over, I'm selling. Like it's really that simple. Yeah. So let's get back to the main topic. So this is a stage 1 right here, stage 1 right here too. Look, 1, look, fall, stop falling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put another box right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the highest box in the zone. And all you need is 4 days, gang. So that's that box right there. Let me know if this making sense to you, bro. That's the stage 1. That's the stage 1. This is stage 1 also right here too. Find us lowest low right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put that on there like that. You drag it over. That like these are stage 1 buys. Stage 1 buy. Stage 1 buy. Stage 1. What we gonna do? Buy. So our first warning sign that things are going in our direction. So the 5 EMA is our trigger. So we got. Say this happened right fall. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. It's already going up. It's already above the 5 EMA, which lets me know that price is above the last 5 days of trading. Okay, we start falling and we are trading above the last week of trading. Okay, cool. I might add a little 0.25 to this right here. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, and then when it's 520 across, that's my last position. I don't want to buy anything or sell anything after this confirmation candle. Once this candle is confirmed, I'm in. I'm not adding no more. I'm letting the trade do what it do. You know what I'm saying? The same from over here. Once, you know what I'm saying? Like say I'm shorting. I see this stage 3 and I see it's gonna come down. Okay, I'll short. You know, I'm getting in. I'm not buying no more after this day. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting the rest do what it do. If I was to short, but boom. So yeah. So let's do it right here live real quick. So I got my anchor right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that for you, man. That's my anchor right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. These 4 candles confirm that this is the bottom. We got a 5-10 crossover as well. That's your first warning sign or second warning sign. Your first warning sign is when price get above the 5 EMA. That's your trigger. After you have 4 days. So you need 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when price get above that 5, I'll buy, you know what I'm saying? But if I see a 5-10 cross too, this 5-10 cross right here, I know you see that right there, that 5-10 cross. I'm 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 gonna get into right here because like that's like a yellow light. That's like a warning sign. But we really only care about the 520 crossover. Like that's okay. I'm getting in for sure. Full position. I think it's going up. Let's do it. So this right here. So say I'm playing this like a rookie. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the bottom right here. Cool. When price gets above the 5 MA, I'm going to buy. That would be this day. I would have bought this day right here. I would have bought this day right here. I would have bought that day. Boom, I would have bought. Even if it come down, you know, come back up, it's a zone. This is a zone of accumulation. So we expect price to, go teeter-totter, go up and down. It's a little scary, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong, it's a little scary because on this little push down, you might thought that you was gonna get stopped out. Shit, by all means, you could have got stopped out, like, you know what I'm saying? But like that's the price that you pay getting in earlier than the 520 because either way it go, if you get in at this 520, you still can lose from a whipsaw. Like you got whipsaw twice in this area right here. Breakout, come back down. Break up, breakout, come back down. Those are called whipsaws. That's the only way that you could lose in trading. The way I trade is getting hezzy, whipsaw, or some just crash down, some crazy shit, flash crash, some shit like that. But that's like every blue moon that happens. It happens though. But anyway, say I get in right here, right? I got 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I wait till price get over the 5. I would have bought right there. Okay, it came down. Okay, I would have bought some more. Cool. So let's get let's have 2 positions. You go to the next day. Look at that. We got a 520 cross. I buy another position if I wanted to. Me, I'm most likely getting in a full position, like right here. I'm getting in a full position, just buy and just letting it go. Sometimes I might do half here, half there, or quarter. You know what I'm saying? Like it just depends on the trader. Honestly, it all depends on the trader. So say, okay, boom, this is my stage 1 right here. It's going into a stage 2 breakout. This is going to a stage 2 breakout, right? So I'm targeting previous high. So I'm targeting previous high. Looking left to get right. Look left to get right. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Boom. So I'm targeting right here, and then you could try to target right here too. Now I don't even know if this trade gonna win or not. Stop loss would be below that anchor point right there. Probably stop loss is below this anchor point right here, y'all. So boom, let me make this red. Price below the anchor point. Alright. Quick little 1 or 2 trade. Let's see how I go. And that's simple. That's crazy. That's wild. I didn't even know that this trade's gonna work out for real. That's so wild. Like I ain't do like no higher time frame influence. Nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? But I mean that's really it though. Like that's really it. Like you just gotta find these bottoms and tops, man. Like I'll do another one for y'all. That was that trade right there. I know it's replay mode. Oh, he in replay mode. Nah, I'll do a live too for tomorrow. But boom. So that's that. Literally finna just go like, let's try to short something. Like, and then the indicators play a big role too, y'all. Like the indicators, the RSI and the MACD, they play a big role in this system as well. This system is just not based off of EMA cross. I mean, you all means could do that though, but you gotta know market structure. Like you gotta know when to pull that trigger on this certain stuff. Like if you got in right here for the sale, you know what I'm saying? Look, stage 1 right here. Look at this. Stage 1. Stage 1, stage 2. This is stage 1, stage 2. This is 3 right here. I know it's a 3. That's a 3. It's literally a stage 3. This could have been a stage 3, but like I told y'all, stage 3s can turn into stage 1s to turn into a stage 2. So a stage 3 is a stage 1. You know what I'm saying? This stage 1 and this 3 is in the same. It's just reversed. You know what I'm saying? Look, RSI is high on this candle. Goes sideways. for stage 3. EMA crossover on this day. We're going down. That's what happened. You know, it's not perfect. Like, don't get me wrong, this shit not perfect. Like, it could scream. Look, see this? It could scream on the RSI all the way up. But the EMA's never crossed over to right here. So I would have been long this whole time until I got to stage 3, and then I started seeing these EMAs starting, you know, to come down, do this action right here. But every time you see that it does this action right here, what happens to price? High RSI and that crossover. It comes down though. It came down. Yeah, but it went back up. Okay, got back hot. Crossover came down till it didn't go no more. Start going sideways. To a stage 2 breakout. Got hot again. Stage 3 went down. See what I'm saying? Stage 1 stop falling. Stage 2 whipsaw, come down, come up, whipsaw, come down, break out. Like, you don't know what price is gonna do. You just assuming what price is gonna do. Like what the majority of people is gonna do when these prices do this thing. You just trading fear and greed, man. So it's really just simple. But you gotta learn market structure to even do this EMA crossover. But the EMA crossover is the foundation of the way I trade. Like these EMAs. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you really know how to use the EMAs and wait for confirmations and certain things like that, then you know what I'm saying. You gotta get your reps in. But you really could do this shit all through this. Like, I'm literally just going through it. EMA cross right here. Like, I'm just gonna highlight buy. Sell. Buy. Long as buy. Sell. Buy. But you gotta take every trade. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's a series of trades. Sell. Come down. Buy. Sell. See what I'm saying? But just don't rely on the just EMAs alone, man. It's a strategy for a reason. But some people just trade purely off this, though. I'm not gonna lie. Some people just trade just off this and be killing, which is crazy, right? Like, you could have bought right here. Probably would have got you. Would have bought again right here too, though. Like, just look at all these EMA crossovers I'm doing on a daily time frame. This is a daily time frame, but it's not an hour, 5 minutes, nothing like that. This is a daily time frame. This is how I want to teach y'all. I mean, but that's really it though. Like, it worked for anything. Like this GJ, it could work for NAS 100. Like, it works for anything. You know what I'm saying? But that's really it. I mean, I really can't show you nothing else besides, like, you know what I'm saying? Now look, let's go back to the long date before this. Like, just pick a random date. My eyes closed. Oops. Random date. Okay. Alright, look. Cool. Alright, so we're in a stage 4 decline. This is stage 4. Right? Alright, look. Stage 3. Right. Stage 3. Right? As I said, the RSI look like it's getting hot. Not really hot, but we're in a stage 3 EMA break. Now, this is falling. Do not buy this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't buy that, gang. One, we're not even high on the RSI either yet, and the cap falling. And really, with the EMAs, it's not even about the crossover. It's about how they're stacked. You want the 5 to be above the 10. You want the 10 to be above the 20, like this. Like, you want them spread out like this. Like, see this is a breakout. Like see how far apart this is? That's a breakout, gang. When they start getting close like this, that's when you need to start getting scared. You know what I'm saying? So you wouldn't even paid this no mind for real, gang. Like look how far apart that is. Come on now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay. Next day comes straight down. Like, look at that. That's why I gotta be patient. So boom. Not the bottom. 1, 2, okay. 3, 4, okay, right? 4 candles, right? See these 4 candles? This is likely a bottom. Now we have to wait till price gets above the 5 again. Watch. Wait. Okay. See that? I'm buying. I'm buying. I'll buy one. I'm buying. Boom. Next day you wait. Okay, I'm buying again. I'm buying. Now I'm done buying. Now my price target gonna be what? Previous high somewhere. Previous high. But it's way more to go into this, y'all. Like, see how like cautious you got to be? You see that? It's that simple, gang. You take your fucking money out and go about your fucking day. It's that simple. Like, I literally just did it, and I literally just picked a random time, bro. Literally, like, and I ain't even know, like, I ain't checked the weekly, ain't checked none of that. I just clicked it, and I just went off the EMA crossover. Like, that's how you got to be, like, win or lose with this shit, bro. You just got to do that type of shit, bro. Like, win or lose, gang. But that's really it, man, for this video, man. That's just a basic EMA crossover. You could do it on the short side, or you could do it on the long side. It don't really matter what side you do it on. Just pick a side and stay with that side, gangster. And you're gonna be okay. I'm really primarily just a bull in the market. I look for stuff that's either at true value or underneath true value and just take buys. You could look at stuff that's over true value, like how this over true value and the RSI got hot, and then you can sell, you know, the EMA sell. You know, you can make a little money like that. A lot of money like that. Not even a little money. Motherfuckers make killing off that shit. But man, yeah, that's gonna do it for the video, man. Make sure you comment down below more videos that you want me to see. But yeah, man, and let me know if y'all want to learn about the RSI and the MACD. This is really price action and the EMA crossover. Watch my last video on price action to really get a grasp of how to use the EMA crossover. And with that being said, man, I'm gone, man. I'll catch y'all niggas later. Peace, man.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm a gangster on me. And let be the fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 count away. Bitch, we in this bitch T every fucking day.